Do you have DIY projects that go unfinished, or worse yet, unstarted? Wouldn't it be great to have someone right by your side helping you out every step of the way? I'm Renee Romeo of ReneeRomeo.com, and I'm here to teach you how to DIY like a pro. I post video tutorials every single week on all kinds of projects ranging from arts and crafts to construction. I'll even steer you in the right direction as far as product reviews and life hacks go. I really have something for everyone, helping you out and making your life a little easier. Not only that, I'm going to save you a lot of time and money in the process. And your DIY knowledge isn't going to come as hard-earned as mine was, because I'm giving you all the answers. My videos are clear, to the point, and teach you everything you need to complete the job. So let me help you get the satisfaction that comes with completing projects and the motivation to keep doing the next and the next. All you have to do is like, share, follow, and subscribe to get the latest posts. And oh, by the way, please comment below, say hello, and then we'll do all of our DIY projects together.